I told you that this is problem number 3 on page 30, and we have a population of 450 that's going to double. This is the formula we're going to use because there is no compound interest. That other formula is the one we use for compound interest. A and P, though, stand for the same thing they did before. How many you start with, how many you end with. So you said we were starting with 450, which means we're going to end up with 900 because we are doubling. Now, E is E. That's the same as the base of the natural logarithms, Euler's constant. That's not a variable. You just leave E. R is the growth rate, which you told me was
0.123.
0.123?
Yeah, and then T stays the same.
And T is what we are solving for because the question said, how long will it take, Timmy?
What?
How long will it take to get from 450 to 900 of these things? Step 1, divide. And when I divide, I'll just get 2. Always divide first, always, always, always. Now, where's my variable?
You gotta do logs.
It's an exponent, which means I have to do logarithms. Since there's an E in the problem, we'll natural log it. Right, Katie? We will natural log it.
So 0.123.
Now, remember, this is a quiz question. This right here is a quiz question. What happens to L and E? They cancel. So this side is just 0.123t, and this side is still ln2. Now I want to know what t equals, so I'll take ln2 and divide that by 0.123. Make sure you close your parentheses when you ln2 divided by 0.123. What did you come up with as your answer? That is not the right answer. 5.635?
Yeah.
Now, had I done a better job when I wrote the problem, you would know what the unit on that was. Remember, that's a time. So maybe it's days, maybe it's years, maybe it's minutes, who knows? This bacteria may be growing really fast, so maybe it's hours, who knows? But there is a unit on that, I just didn't put it in the problem. What? Whatever the directions say, if there are any directions, just make something up. The test will tell you. Right now, I just want to make sure you have it. Okay? All right, everybody got it? Quiz tomorrow. I have a meeting.